why does the banana turn black? The banana produces an airborne hormone known as ethylene. This reacts with the airborne hormone it produces to form the black spots. The ethylene gas is produced by the banana, and then the banana reacts with the same ethylene gas that is produced by it. The raw banana is greenish in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. It is more acidic and less sweeter in taste, and it is very hard in nature. When the raw banana reacts with the ethylene gas, the chlorophyll is broken down first. Then the acid is broken down and it becomes more sugary in taste. The green banana reacts with ethylene to form the yellow banana, and when this yellow banana is in the presence of the ethylene gas for a very long period of time, for maybe 2 or 3 days, the decomposition or the ripening process continues, and this produces the brownish spots in it, which is known as enzymatic browning. This continues and goes on till the banana decays. It has been found that the fruits that are damaged or bruised produce a higher amount of ethylene in comparison to the one that is not. Hence, the fruits that are damaged or bruised ripe faster and decay faster too. Here is a tip for you to save your bananas from blackening. If you find a bruised or damaged banana, or if you find a ripe banana, don't place it next to a banana that has not ripened. Hence, you can save the banana that is not ripened from ripening faster. That's it, guys. If you like the video, do subscribe to Nixapian. This is Vishy signing off.